In this video, I am going to walk you through how to connect your bank or credit card to Accurants so that for the accounting module, the system will automatically download the bank or credit card transactions as they happen. So there are multiple ways of going to the screen where you can connect to the bank or the credit card. And one of the places where I'm clicking on here is in the home dashboard, is that if you have not connected this account or this link will show up. Alternately, you can click on the settings and go to the connected apps, and from there you can click on the applied connect. And this is where you will be able to see how on the next link where that will take you to the connected account. So once you are in this screen, just click on connect now, and this will pop up a screen because we use a third-party service called Applied, and just click on agree, and this will allow you to connect to your bank or credit card provider. Applied is a third-party service that has the ability to connect to 10,000 financial institutions, and from there you can download. You can connect and download your transactions. So at this screen, you can choose whichever bank. If the bank is not listed in the list of logos that you see, then you can search your bank. And once you click on that bank, depending on the bank or the credit card institution, it may require you to log in separately, or it may allow you to log in directly within here. And they go through a process of the verification by sending you a code to your phone number, and once you have completed all the steps, then it will bring you back to Accurants, and it will ask you for you to download for the time range for which you want to download. Depending on the bank, it may be able to bring in 2012 months to 24 months transactions in one shot, so please make sure that you select the time period for which that you want the bank transactions or credit card transactions to be brought in. As you follow the prompts, the system will tell you that it is in the process of downloading the transactions, and most of the time it takes about 2 to 3 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes to download all the transactions, and thereafter the system will stay in sync, and it will auto-download the transactions as they happen, and we have put in logic where it will auto-categorize to a big extent the many of the transactions. So once you have verified, once you're connected, download the transactions. Please go to the General Ledger within Accounting module to verify your data. Thank you.